Good, good day, good evening, wherever you are across the four winds of the earth. Good evening. Thank you for visiting this channel, the Trading of Things (TTOT). Um, the name, the Trading of Things, is inspired by the Trading of Things. As you can see, we do not even have even one single video since this is our debut. This is our debut. This is our debut video, which we are going to post, which is posted as you can see. The name, the Trading of Things. The inspiration behind it is that normally people, when they say forex, it sounds like it embraces everything. It encompasses everything to do with trading. Whereas forex, as we know, is for foreign current, forex exchange, basically foreign exchange. And then in the main, it covers currencies, as far as I know. However, in trading, it involves more than foreign currencies, because sometimes you have metals and commodities, you have exchange traded funds, um, you have cryptos, you have the indices. So basically, it's more than forex. So hence the name, the Trading of Things. Alright, and I'm aware that I'm joining a great number of people who are already in this universe of trading. Many channels are also available. Many people are running a whole lot of channels on trading. So I'm also trying to contribute to that universe, and I hope it be helpful to a whole lot of us. The objectives of this channel would be to, number one, to learn and grow the account from the minimum balance of US $100. So basically, I'd like to use this channel to just to demonstrate that we are able to um, grow small accounts and then grow them to become huge. I don't know how huge, but we will see as we go along. And then using the strategies which I'll be putting up, and before rather, it's even the right time to also put up a disclaimer that this is not this channel, or the information put forward in this channel, the information does not constitute financial advice. This is for learning purposes and entertainment purposes. So you can say it's for edutainment purposes. So again, disclaimer is that this information does not constitute financial advice. Alright, so the first objective would try to grow an account of, let's say, US $100 to whatever, maybe at least 10,000 US dollars. So we'll be seeing as to how long and how successful will be the trade plans which I'll be putting up. And then the second objective is to form a community where we can bounce ideas off each other, because I believe that there are many people who are in the same boat with me, many people with different experience levels, significant things, or rather who may contribute significant information, opinions, perspectives on this channel, you are all welcome. um, so if you have comments, if you have questions, this is the place you can ask, and I hope we keep everything respectful as we are starting off and going on this wonderful journey, this wonderful adventure. And then eventually the objective is to open a real account, so that the strategies which would have applied with the demo account, because I'm gonna be starting with the demo account, see how far the strategies go, and then how far we grow um, that account, and then eventually when I open the real account, and then we see how far we can push that account. And then someone may ask, or maybe people with experience may be itching to say the real account is different from a demo account, which I agree, because there's an element of emotion which cannot be replicated in the demo account. You only can feel that if you are doing a real account. Unfortunately, that element will not be replicated, but I suppose trading is about developing a habit. So if we can develop these habits with the demo account, we develop them long enough, then I trust and hope that we can replicate that in the real account. Although I agree the emotions side of things cannot be replicated, but we'll see how this adventure goes, how this ship sails across turbulences, across tumultuous waves. Yeah, so I invite you that we enjoy ourselves in this ride. And then another fact I want to put forward is that so the broker that I'm going for, it's the Reeve. Yeah, this is the broker that we are going with. The Reeve is one of the big brokers in the world, and then and some of the reasons for going with the Reeve are as follows. Some of the things that I know about them, so will be the following. Let's see under tools, watch list. Yes, watch list. So one of the biggest reasons for going with them is, you can see that, let me just maximize this. Okay, it's still opening. One of the biggest reasons for going with the Reeve is that they have a vast number of instruments that you can trade. As you can see, there's cryptos there, there's derived indices, there's ETFs, which are exchange traded funds, there are EU stocks, there's forex exotics, there's forex micro, there's metals and commodities, there's stock indices, there's US stocks. So what stands them out, what stands the Reeve out, I suppose, is that part of the derived indices. Derived indices, because this aspect is like it's available 24 hours, 7 days a week, I suppose 365 or 366 days in a year. So this factor stands the Reeve out from most of the brokers. And then as well, you can do some, you can also do research on the reef just to check their reputation. Let's see the reef reviews, the reef broker advantages and disadvantages. And when I did that, there's trades union, okay, traders union website, which is this, and they've had some yeah, they have their perspective, their views. Summary of the reef trading company. You know, you can see it won the innovative broker award according to the Traders Union Awards 2023. So it's a reputable broker. What else? So if we go down, the reef is one of the top brokers in the financial market with the TU overall score of 8.12 out of 10, having reviewed trading opportunities offered by the company and reviews posted by the reef clients on our website. Traders Union expert Anton Karitonov believes he can recommend this company as the majority of reviews prove that the broker's clients are fully satisfied with the company. The reef ranks number 21 among 409 companies featured in the TU ranking, which is based on a evaluation of 100 plus criteria and a test on how to open an account. The reef is a broker for beginners and professional traders who prefer to make trades on their own, as well as use auxiliary programs for more efficient trading. So we can see from that snippet that the reef comes in highly recommended, comes out highly recommended. Okay, they started their activities in 1999, so yeah, they've been around for quite some time. And then you can see minimum deposit is 10 US dollars, leverage up to one up to 1,000. So you can see, and there they mention the advantages of trading with the reef: low level of the minimum deposit, a wide range of payment, and all that. You can go to the website or go through this. And I must put out a disclaimer that this is not a sponsored video by the reef. The reef doesn't know me. Rather, they don't know this channel as well. So this is not a sponsored video. But for our purposes, I think it is the best. It is the best broker for our purposes here. I can say they scored quite highly, except the one on customer support. You can see it's very low compared to the rest of the metrics, where they went at least 70% up. Alright, trade with this broker if your goal is to maximize your profits through derivatives. You're looking for a reputable and well-established company. Do not trade with this broker if you prefer not to use MetaTrader 5 and CTrader platforms. So there are those issues. Something which I found very interesting here is that the reef is quite popular in the in South America. I believe this is Argentina, South Africa, which is my home country, in Nigeria, and Libya, and in India. Yeah, this is where it is quite popular. Well, I don't know the reasons as to why, um, but mainly very popular in South Africa, as it's about 16%. Yeah, um, South Africa represents 16% of the activities or users, I suppose. Um, so yeah, those are the reasons for using the Reef. And then there are different accounts on the Reef which one can use. So in this case I went with the Reef X. Other there are other accounts, such as the one for using options. And then on this on this account you can already see that my um, so basically, as this is a demo account, the base balance, it started at 10,000. So what I did was try to blow that 10,000 US dollars to start to about $100,000. But as you can see, I blew it below 100 US dollars, and I put some trades in order to to start it off, let's say at 31.6 dollars, as you can see, because it comes with the default demo balance of 10,000 US dollars, which I think is not practical, and I'm aware that this is not unique only to the Reef, to the Reef broker platform. It's I think with most, if not all, brokers, the broker platforms, they have set their their base, the demo balance, the demo balance to start at 10,000 US dollars. I think that's the default balance, and I think it's not practical, because as in this instance I want to start at 100 US dollars. So I think that's practical for my purposes. Or probably if they would have set it at US $1,000, I think that as well is more practical than 10,000 US dollars. I don't think most people can afford that. So we'll start with this 31.6. I blew it from 10,000 US dollars so that it can be practical. So I've already entered some trades. We can see we're already up. Now we're sitting at it's 65, but it's still going. So I guess this will be our base balance. We're starting from here. I will show you going forward as to, rather I'll put up the trade plans as to how we are pushing this balance. We will try to push it maybe to 10,000 US dollars. We will see how long that takes us, and then yeah, we'll take it from there until, if we reach that, rather when we reach that 10,000 US dollars, then we will go and we'll go for a real account. Then we'll be putting up those trade plans, those trade setups, and then we can grow from there. Let's see. Yeah, so we've already started with this one. Let's see which trade is open here. So we go to positions. You can see it's volatility 75, which is already open, and I'm just gonna tell you why I took this one. Volatility 75, and the reason for taking volatility 75, it's let's see. All right. Okay, so I'm of the opinion that the buyers now, alright, I think that this is a trend reversal. I think it's going to be bullish, hence I took this trade. And the reason for that, let's see if we can draw. If I can try to draw those wonderful things. Alright, so okay, so I believe it is going up, definitely going up, so we just have to wait as the trend develops. And one important thing about trends, as we know, trends take time to form, so we'll have to wait and be patient with the trades that we'll be doing. So here I'm looking for for the feature where we can draw the trend lines. You know, when we do the first wave, the second wave, and the third wave, I seem not to be able to see that. Probably this is the downward parts, and because this vol 75 is only here, I cannot go to another broker and show the same. Yeah, probably this is one disadvantage of the reef. Or unless if someone knows how to draw this thing, I'll appreciate your assistance. But based on this one, I cannot see how we go about that. Because I was gonna take it from here. Let's see, take it to there. Now it means we have to draw it again. Because I'll take that as the first leg, and then the second leg will be from that point to let's see. Take it from there and say it's going down, and there's the down part, and then okay, let's try get rid of a whole lot of info here. Let's go to get rid of these. Okay. Okay, let's put it up there. And then now I'll be expecting another one. So yeah, we're expecting this trade to really go for the third leg for the third yeah, to be going for the third wave, as I am convinced that this is bullish. And so far it's starting well. As you can see, it's sitting on a P&L of 32. So we are building this account. So this is the first video. So I'll try yeah, come up with trade ideas at least on a weekly basis, unless if um, I come across opportunities, and then we can do that. We can yeah, I'll put up those other trade ideas. I'll put them up, and then since we are going with the a small balance at the moment, I'm going with the minimum, the 0.01. So some of the instruments, they are very high, so we are going to pass them. So vol 75, okay, we do have the 0.01. So if it's something which starts, let's say 0.2 and all that, we will pass them for now until we have built this thing maybe to a 1,000. When it reaches 1,000, that's when we can go to the minimum of 0.1 as for the lot size. But for now, we will take it gradually, we'll take it nicely, being patient with the 0.01s, and then we'll be building this this account. And then we hope to be learning and also cultivating some habits, some trades, so that we become profitable traders. We know trading is very hard, it's very difficult, and with this trading strategy, number one, we are not like day traders. I'm not one, because I'm working. So I suppose there are many people who are in my situation who are working. You cannot be keeping your eye to the markets. We are working, and it's only in those times, maybe after work, that we can look at the charts. And when you look at the charts, sometimes events have already happened. So this, we will try to assist, especially those who are working, those who are busy, to also see as to whether they can trade, but without not being like actively involved. You have to be looking at the markets as day traders. I know that there are profitable day traders, but that does not suit my circumstances. I'm working, and I suppose some of the people are working, some are busy with businesses, to be keeping an eye on the markets. But I think there's a way in which we can also participate in the markets. So more like swing traders. Yeah, that's what we are. That's what we'll be cultivating here. Swing traders, we can sleep with open trades and all that jazz. So yeah, that's another important point to mention. So I hope we'll be able to assist each other and be able to grow and learn, and then translate these learnings into making money at some point in time. So thank you for taking your time to um, look at this channel, and let's go on together. And please subscribe, and I'll also try to be consistent with uploading of subsequent videos. And if I notice an opportunity, let's say midweek, not over the weekend, I'll also upload them, and and then let's see how it goes. Much appreciated.